Right here, right behind me. Trying to block it. Is that where we're going?
No, we're going right here.
Yeah, right here.
People are trying to look at this shit.
Yeah, it's been... People are running all over the trail. Outside of it, at least.
Trying to do some SUV with the dirt, brother.
It does look like a ride to the back.
It's Mad Max style.
Yeah, you're right. They're trying to reroute us down there this time.
Like they don't want us on that. Well, somebody wants it to themselves. No! No reason that should have happened.
Motherfucker, bro.
Oh yeah, we're in the
Yeah, maybe I'm good here.
danger zone, that's for sure. Good thing I got a helmet on.
Oh yeah, that ain't gonna be no good, bro.
No, it'll compress your neck and kill you. I've been good to Mother Nature. She loves me.
Oh, we should have.
That's how that goes.
Pin cushion my ass right to the fucking floor. Remember that,
You're safe. I'm in the main.
those two saguaros right there?
Yeah.
That used to be a tough gap to make it through with your handlebars.
Yeah,
remember?
exactly.
Not no more.
That sucks, dude. Look at this one, Jay. It's
About to fall on old Gary and Jeff.
got